Black Russian Terrier. The Black Russian Terrier, also known as Chorny Terrier. Chorny being Russian for black, is a breed of dog created in USSR in Red Star. Krasnaya zvezda kennel during the late 1940s and early 1950s for use as military, working dogs, the present time. Black Russian Terrier is recognized by the FCI from September 1983, OKC from July 2004, CKC, KC, INKC, NZKC, and other sinological orgation. The contemporary Black Russian Terrier dog is a working dog, guardian dog, sporting and companion dog.
Get back, you flea infested mongrel.